Hi, here I am showing you how to use WinTrader Buy Sell signal generating software on your mobile phone. For downloading WinTrader software on your mobile phone, first you have to install a Windows based application on your mobile. The application name is RD Client, Microsoft Remote Desktop. For downloading that RD client, you have to click on your Play Store, open your Play Store and search there RD client. The name is RD client. Then you can see there is Microsoft Remote Desktop. Just click on that. The application you can see there. Just click install there. So it will start to download and the system will automatically install the file. Just wait. Once the installation completed, just click open there. Open it. There you can see a license agreement. Just accept there. And for add, first we need to add the IP address details, because with the VPS server we are connecting to, with the software, our WinTrader software we already installed in our VPS server. The server we will connect with the help of this remote desktop server. So for installing that thing, just click on the plus mark on right corner, just desktop, select desktop there and add manually. There you can see the VPS details. VPS will give you the IP address there, the IP address. So I will update some example IP address there. For example, just 134.111.177.124. Then the username, add user account, click the add user account there. The username, domain name you can see there, your domain or username. The username is, and an example is, I'm just giving you an example, WT demo 16 and the password is demo@788. Okay, and click save there. It will save, and just click on the right corner there, you can save these all details. Save it. So the window will be open, the server details, the window will be open there. And before opening that server, just with a single click you can go to the server. So before opening that, you have to keep your mobile phone as horizontal mode, use a movie mode, or just then click the things there. You can see the connect window, click connect there. The system trying to connect to your VPS. So the VPS there, you can see the WinTrader icon, because we already installed WinTrader to that VPS server, the cloud server. So server will show opening shortly, just please wait. Yeah, there you can see the window, WinTrader icon. For opening that, just keep your cursor as a mouse mode and double click on the WinTrader thing. The main thing, you are with your finger you have to move the mouse cursor to the on the WinTrader icon. Then you can see WinTrader software thing. It will be automatically connected. Yes, then you mean that yes, when you are moving the cursor, we have to, how you move a mouse pointer in your system, the same like you have to move your cursor with your finger, like this. You can select all the things. If you want the template, change the template or something, click there. Then select the WinTrader, write all the details here. For adding a new script, put your two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger, between simultaneously you have to apply those things. Then you will get at a window will be there. There you can select symbols. From the symbols, which symbol you need to add, that you can add with there. For example, in MCX now, in MCX you can select, and copper, just double click on copper, it will be add to market watch. Then close the window. On copper, click copper and same, double click. Double click means your index finger and middle finger, apply your index finger and middle finger at the same time. Then select chart window, the box will be appear there. Select chart window there. new chart will be open. You can select the time frame as M5 and template here as WinTrader 8. Okay, you can see the charts there. So in this method you can see software, WinTrader software on your mobile phone also. If any further queries or something, you can call us directly. We will guide you. Thank you.